Okay. Um, let's play again. 10 minutes is too long. I don't want that. I like my game just um okay, let's play this. Let's see. Okay. Hmm. So quick. Let's go. Hmm. Thinking um bishop after that. Okay, can okay. Use G2 F6. That will be my next move. I'm looking at this space. Yeah, yeah. Make your move, guy. Let's go. Okay. So I'll need to move this because if my knight cannot come over here, there's nothing. This knight is as useless as anything because if he can come here, he's going to be protecting this angle over here. And here we go. And I think I can do. I will need to kill. It's going to be kill. Yeah, I know. So that's exactly what I want, and make your move over here. So now it's not having any option than to protect the queen, and I'm going to kill this bishop. If the knight move, I'll use my queen to kill the bishop. Nice one. So just something like that. Do the same here. And now I have to look out for this because the bishop walk along with the queen. I know that is what it's going to do next. It's going to try to align these together to capture my king. So I'll try and move my king into h8. And okay, is that what we are doing? Okay, I'll do this. So if you capture my pawn, I'll capture your pawn. I'll threaten your queen. I know. Okay, so at this junction, what should we do? What should I do? What should I do? I think I will. I have no option than to because the queen. If I move here, the queen will capture me, and I think I will have to do sacrifice over here and do the kill. I still need a breathing space. I need some breathing space. So I'm going to threaten, yeah, something like that. I'm going to do this. I'm going to bring his queen to threaten mine. I know. I've said it. I was expecting that. Kill this. I know. I know. So I think I can start my joining now. I think I should bring this over here. Oh God, I'm bringing my queen for crying out loud. Oh, that's not my game. That's definitely not my game. think what I can do from here is to um, push this over here. It's going to take this next. I know. So I'm going to do this now. So move like this, move like this, move like this. Can only keep this and I take this. This is what we call pin. Make your decision. You have no option. Hmm, nice move. I like that. I like that. But I don't really care. You have to stop that. I'm not really bothered about that. I know. Hmm. Yeah. Okay. I like that. I like that. I think I should leave this for now and capture this. Mm, I like that. Yeah, do this. Kill the pawn. I'll bring my bishop under it. And this. So now, aha, this is where the work begins. Hmm. Okay, I think I've had enough of this rubbish. Mm, mm, I'm still having time. There's still time, so let's do this. Take my pawn, I take your knight. So we are doing the protection. I think I'm taking it irrespective. And I'm going to do this. Okay. Okay. I'm planning on suffocating you. Nothing is. Uh, hmm. If I do this, that will be meat. And I don't want to do that. I don't want to do that. I know what he's trying to do, but I'm not going to give him. I know what he's trying to do. I'm not going to give him. What I need is checkmate, not. I think I need to. Nice game. Yeah, yeah, nice game. Rematch? No, I don't want rematch. Okay, that will be all. See you next time.